Hey, what is going on, everybody? My name is Sopak. Today I've got a quick little tutorial for you on how to replace the skies in your photos in Adobe Photoshop. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. Sky replacements are nothing new to Photoshop, but the technology has gotten so much better inside of this program where you used to have to do a lot of things manually. Now the program does all of the heavy lifting. So let me show you just how easy it is to replace a sky with one of your photos. All right, so we have our image here in Photoshop. You can see we have a very open, kind of plain and boring sky. So we're gonna spice that up with replacing the sky. All you have to do is hit edit and go down to sky replacement. Now, Adobe is going to automatically choose a sky that it has in its default library that it brings up. And boom, we have a brand new sky for our photo that looks absolutely incredible. You can hit OK. This thing's ready to post on Instagram or wherever you're going with it. But there are a few little details that we can actually adjust with a few of these sliders. So our first slider is Shift Edge, which does what it says. It shifts the edge of the sky image that you have. So if you move that to the minus, it's going to shift the edge up the image. Likewise, if you bring it down, it's going to drop it down. Another tool that you can do is actually just going onto the image itself, and you can move this around so you can refine and get it exactly the way that you want it. The next slider is Fade Edge. This just allows you to soften up or harden up the edge of the image. Then we have our sky adjustments. This will allow you to affect the brightness or the color temperature of the sky. Has a good effect. You can cool down that sky. You could warm it up a bit. So that way you can fit the color temperature of the photo that you're actually taking. You also have scale, so that way you can scale up or down your image, and then you can see the actual edges. And then you can also make adjustments to the foreground of your image, so that way if you need to make any lighting adjustments to match the sky a little bit better, you can do that with the lighting adjustment slider. And the color adjustment slider is going to help match the color of the sky and the foreground of your image, so that way it looks a lot more cohesive. Then once you hit OK, you are left now with the sky replacement group as its own folder layer on top of your image. And this contains all the different adjustments that Photoshop has done for that sky specifically. So you can fine tune even those a little bit further, or you can just do a little before and after action. One other really great feature is that you can actually upload your very own photos to use as skies for the sky replacement. So I went over to Unsplash.com and I found some really beautiful looking photos with some really nice skies, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can upload one of those to use it for your image. To upload a custom photo to use as a sky, all you do is you click on the sky button, go down to that plus, and then find your photo. Go ahead, hit open, go ahead and add a name. And just like that, you have your very own custom sky that you can add in, and you can still make your adjustments. You can move it around, you can adjust the brightness, fade the edge. And there we go. Now we have our group, a little before and after. This is incredible. I mean, like, I love technology. I love how this stuff is progressing, and it's making it easier to make really good content for creators like you and me. Hey, if you got some value out of this video, why don't you go ahead and add some value right back to it by hitting that like button, and also consider subscribing to this channel for more regular content just like this. And don't forget to hit that bell icon, so you never miss out. Hey, until the next time, my name is Sopak. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.